The BMW X3 F25 from 2011 to 2014 typically uses a CR2032 battery. First, ensure the fob is not in use. Use a plastic pry tool or small flathead screwdriver at the seam to gently open the case. If the case is stuck, apply gentle heat from a hairdryer on low setting. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the polarity with positive side up. Clean the contacts with isopropyl alcohol to remove any corrosion. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the correct polarity and reassemble the fob. After replacing the battery, test the key fob's buttons to ensure they work properly. If the remote is not working, reprogram it by inserting the key into the ignition, turning it to position 1, and pressing the lock button 3 times within 10 seconds. If the case is hard to open, check for hardened rubber seals or broken internal tabs. If problems persist, ensure the fob is within 10 feet of the vehicle. A weak signal or interference could be the culprit, so test in different locations. Consider eco-friendly, rechargeable CR2032 options for future replacements.